Welcome to a Starlight the Clown balloon tutorial.
Let's talk about monkeys. To make a monkey out of a balloon, you're going to want to inflate a balloon until there's only about 5 or 6 inches left at the tail end. Something like that. The first thing we do for a monkey is make a loop. Just like that. And we got a twist in it. Just like that. And we take the nozzle and tie it around to complete the loop. And we'll push it through to make sure it stays. Now, for the rest of the head of the monkey, we need a 1-inch bubble, a 2-inch bubble, and another 1-inch bubble. Now here's what's interesting. We've got to make 2 pinch twists for each ear. We'll start here on the ear farthest away from the loop bubble. So it looks like that. And we'll do this one. Got to keep holding it, but we've got to be careful. Now, do this one to pinch twist the other ear. And then, holding it all, we need both pinch twists and the 2-inch bubble. Uh-oh. We need both pinch twists and the 2-inch bubble. We'll grip them all three in our hand like that. And we're going to pull. We're going to twist the loop around this part. A 3-bubble pinch twist. Once you learn to do it, it'll be just like that. Just like that. Now you're going to want a little net, 1 or 2 inches. And what do monkeys have? What do monkeys have that other animals don't have? Let's see. They have tails, unlike apes. But what else? I think they have big, long arms that they use to swing through trees and stuff. Right? There we go. Now we'll need a little body. Sort of a primate this guy is. And little legs. Just to sell more that it's a monkey that moves through the trees with its own. And then most people like to give an ass twist to the monkey's tail so that it looks like it's articulated. Haha. See, it looks like he can swing from that too if he really tries.